In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect your AirTag. All right, first things first, go ahead and unbox your AirTag, and it should look like this. There'll be some clear tape that you'll need to peel off the silver casing there, so peel that off. And then it should automatically connect to your iPhone if it is nearby. If it doesn't, what I found to work is to put your iOS device to sleep. So go ahead and put it to sleep, and then re-wake it. So go ahead and put your device to sleep, and then go ahead and wake it back up like so. And then when you do that, you should see, like I see here, that the AirTag is available to connect. So you can see it says AirTag connect. And then what you want to do from here is you want to go to connect. So tap on connect, and then you want to give it a name. So let's go ahead and give it a name. For this one, it's going to be connected to my keys. So I want to go ahead and select that one. And then once you're here, it says this AirTag is linked to your Apple ID, giving you your information. You need to agree to this. So tap agree there at the very bottom. Once you've agreed, it'll begin connecting, and it'll start the process here. Takes a few seconds. And once it's done connecting, as you see here, you will then be able to see a map where it's kind of tracking or tagging where the AirTag is, as well as a couple of bits of information about what an AirTag does. So now what you want to do is you want to view and find my app. If you don't tap on that button there, you can find the Find My app by just searching your iOS device and go to Find My. Once you're in your Find My device, you should now see the AirTag that we just connected. So this one is like my name and then my keys. Once you've tapped on the item, it'll bring up all of the options you can do. You can find the AirTag if it's lost. You can play a sound if it's nearby and you just can't see it visually. And you can also go here and say, hey, this AirTag is lost, or share this with another person. So that's how you set up your AirTag. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.